guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the mud crab. It's still alive inside, fresh from the market. So I need to put it in a freezer for 6 hours. Easy to clean for me after. So let's aside in the freezer first. Here it goes after 6 hours. Look, they are all sleeping. Came out from the freezer. Look, easy for me to clean. So let's start. This is my own easy way to clean the mud crab. So now let's cut into half like that and take out all the dirt. The difficult part of cleaning the mud crab is to cut it off the claws. As you can see, it's very difficult because the skin is really very thick. And also you need to be careful for cleaning these crabs. Brush is the most advisable for using it for cleaning, especially in between legs. So the sand and the dirt, everything will take out. In this part, we need to clean, brush until the mud, sand, everything, the dirty things in the crab body need to be taken out. And also in this part, this one must take out and need to be cleaned properly as well. As you can see, a lot of mud, so you need to brush and brush all the way under the back. So some dirt, sand, and everything is must be clean. Also this part is you need to take out. This one is the lungs. See? And also in this part, as you can see the black color and the white colors. Those are the crab intestines. So need to be clean and need to be taken out as well. Continue cleaning all the way, same process, the same way, right? Like that. Even the claws also need to brush properly. I cleaned 2 pieces of crab today, and it takes 1 hour and a half maybe, because it's really difficult to clean. Alright, so here it goes, guys. All is cleaned, ready to cook. And you can see I already crushed the crab claws, so it's easy to cook later. Alright. Okay, so let's start to put some ginger. Sprinkle all over. Put everywhere you want. Put everywhere you want. Alright. I also already cut some ginger strips. Sprinkle all over to give more flavorful taste and fragrance as well. Okay, let's go to the next process, and this time we need to put crushed garlic. Let's sprinkle the garlic all over. You can see garlic also gives more flavorful taste for steamed crab. I also add this Shaoxing wine. This is the Chinese cooking wine. It helps also for give flavor and nice taste. And this is the final ingredients. My water now is boiling. Okay, let's put it in. It's very hot. Water is boiling. Let's steam this crab about 20 minutes. 20 minutes steaming. Okay, so now let's put the cover. Alright, 5 minutes is already done. So let's take a look after 5 minutes how it looks like. Let's go. Oops, it looks beautiful, amazing. Look. Continue boiling for another 15 minutes. Beautiful. Another 15 minutes. 15 minutes is done. So in total of 20 minutes already. Oh, very hot. Looks beautiful, looks yummy. Amazing. Look. Oops. And there's a one boy who wanted to help me for cooking. Hello. Oops. Oh wow. Oops, very hot. Wow, look. Beautiful. Ta-da! I already ate some. And this is the leftover. It really tastes good. I like it. I'm very full. So here's the trick. Previously, as you can see, I used Shaoxing wine. This Shaoxing wine is a Chinese cooking wine that they usually use for cooking, especially Chinese cuisine. The taste is really gives more flavorful, very nice, and I like it. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.